Good morning, everyone. I am standing on the balcony of Unit 1102 in Caribbean Resorts on Navarre Beach, Florida. And today I have the pleasure of showing you guys 3 bedrooms and 2 full bathrooms, just over 1,700 square feet. So let's go ahead and get started. Coming right off the balcony, you can see we come in to an open floor plan from your living room to kitchen area. So you are going to have luxury vinyl flooring throughout. Really brightens up the unit, I think. So we have a lot of notable features to go over today, so I'll try and keep it as concise as possible. But just as a full unit goes, it was repainted and has brand new furnishings all this year, so 2024. The kitchen and 2 full bathrooms were completely remodeled in 2021 to 2022. So you can definitely feel the fresh new look in here. And then as far as kitchen amenities go, your refrigerator is a 2024 double door stainless steel with the water dispenser and ice maker. Your microwave is also brand new 2024. Your refrigerator is a 2023, so a year old. You do have a smooth top electric stove top and a nice sizable sink there, all accompanied by these gorgeous quartz countertops. There you go. So let's go ahead and take you into bedroom number 1 out of 3. So you can see here, you can house easily 2-size queen beds. You actually do get water views from the front and back of this unit. So through that window, you can see the gorgeous sound. And then I'm actually going to show you guys in this closet here to the left. This is where your in-house laundry is going to be. So you can see here, you have your stack washer dryer, Samsung. And these were brand new in 2022, so they only have a 2-year age on them, which is extremely convenient, so you know you're going to get some good use out of those. And here's going to be your closet for this unit. 2 full-size double doors, so you definitely have nice clothing space. All right, coming back through, so this is actually going to be your viewpoint when you enter the unit. So you immediately are encapsulated by those Gulf views. And then coming on through, it is nice to note that alongside this spot for formal dining, you can actually fit some stools underneath this side of the kitchen counter there. You can see it's got some good depth, so you could probably easily fit about 4 stools there, I would say. And again, another vantage point of the living room. Another notable feature is that all the ceiling fans were replaced in 2024, so this year it is currently the month of July. And then we'll go down the hallway into our second of 3 bedrooms here. Nice size. You do have the little accent in the ceiling there, so it does allow for a little bit more height. Then there's going to be your closet. And then just off this bedroom is going to be your first full bathroom. You do have a small linen closet in here. It is going to be a single vanity and those gorgeous light fixtures. Those are 2024 installation as well. And then here you are with your tub and shower duo. So beautiful with the little accent cubby. And like I said, these bathrooms were remodeled in 2021 to 2022, so they definitely do have a more elevated look. In here, behind these 2 double doors, is going to be your water heater and AC, so if you ever need anything in regards to that, that is where you can find those areas there. And then this is going to be our second and final full bathroom. You do get a double vanity here, nice under sink storage, same gorgeous lighting to match the other bathroom. And then in here, you actually do get the luxury of a jetted tub, but you still do have your shower applique if that is what you prefer. And then coming through, probably the coup de grace of this entire unit is going to be the primary bedroom. And you get 2 sides of your room with floor to ceiling windows to see out into this beautiful, beautiful Gulf front. How stunning is this, you guys? Give you a better look here. So you do get the Navarre Beach pier. And just to note about the condominium itself, you do have a brand new roof. And you also, which was 2023 and 2024, as well as the pool got refinished and an upgrade to all the pool furniture as well. There is your double door closet. The right side is going to be the owner's closet and the left side is going to be a normal closet there. But just an absolutely stunning primary suite. And you do, of course, have private access out to the balcony as well here too. One more look, give you guys a good vantage point. There you are. So immediately upon entry, this is going to be your view. How stunning is this? Alrighty, you guys. Take you back out. And this does partition off, so let me just show you here. So when you close this door, you actually do have this full bathroom inside of the primary bedroom. So just to show, it can either be shared by opening this door or it can be closed off. So you do, no matter what, have bathroom access in your primary, door open or closed, which I think is really nice. Again, everyone, we are here in Caribbean Resort on Navarre Beach, Florida, Unit 1102, and we absolutely cannot wait for you guys to come see this one in person. You definitely do not want to miss out.